Hello students, how are you doing? In the last lecture we studied about lithosphere. Today we are going to start with hydrosphere. In the Greek language, hydro means water. As we already know that earth is called the blue planet. The presence of water make the earth blue planet. 71% of the earth is covered with water. It consists water in all its forms. Running water in ocean, lakes, river, etc. Ice in glacier and water vapor in atmosphere. Next, distribution of water. More than 97% of water is present in the form of seas and ocean. That water is too much salty for the human use. 2.8% in the form of groundwater, ice sheets, glacier and other forms. Out of that, a very little percentage of fresh water is there for human use. That is about 0.03%. Next, 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The ocean waters are always moving. आपने देखा होगा जो sea और ocean water है that keeps on moving, कभी भी still नहीं होता. The 3 chief movements of ocean water are waves, tides and ocean currents. Waves क्या होती हैं? Alternate rise and fall of sea or ocean water. Tides, rhythmic rise and fall of ocean water twice in a day. दिन में 2 बार tides आते हैं. High tide and neap tides, 2 type of tides are there. Ocean currents, the stream of water, ocean water flow in a definite direction, that is called ocean currents. ये जो ocean currents होते हैं that move from equator to polar region, from polar region to equator. There are 2 types of ocean currents, warm currents and cold currents. In class 7th you are going to learn all these 3 in detail also. Next, oceans. Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean, it's spread over 1/3 of the earth. Mariana Trench, deepest part of the earth, is also here. Its depth is about 11,022 meter. It's almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South America surround it. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. It is the busiest ocean from the point view of commerce. Commerce mean trade के point view से. Okay, because जो इसकी coast line है that provides ideal location for the natural harbors and ports. Indian Ocean, third largest ocean, named after a country. वो country आपको पता है, that's our country, India. It is triangular in shape. Next, Southern Ocean, fourth largest ocean, and circles the continent of Antarctica. Last, Arctic Ocean, located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. And this ocean is connected with Pacific Ocean by Bering Strait. I have already told you what is the meaning of strait. Strait means a narrow passage of water that joins 2 water body. अब यहाँ पे Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean 2 water bodies हैं. इनको जो join करता है narrow passage of water, that is Bering Strait. And between India and Sri Lanka, that is Park Strait is there. Now, the next domain is atmosphere, gaseous layer that surrounds the earth. This atmosphere provides us air to breathe. It protects us from harmful effects of the sun rays, and this is extend up to the height of 1600 kilometers. Now we are going to talk about composition. Maybe you have done in your previous class also. So it's जो most abundant जो इसमें है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा maximum quantity में जो यहाँ पे गैस है, that is nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and carbon dioxide and other gases 1%. Carbon dioxide की कितनी percentage है? 0.03%. Now these gases are also having their own importance. Nitrogen, that helps in the growth of the plants. Oxygen, that is also required for breathing. Now carbon dioxide, that you have already studied in your science, photosynthesis. Plants take this carbon dioxide to prepare their food, but this carbon dioxide is also there to keep the planet warm. Now the next we are going to learn layers of atmosphere. So here only we are going to learn the names of the layers and the diagram, but I will tell you some little information about these layers. So there are 5 layers of atmosphere based upon composition, temperature and other properties. Number 1, troposphere, weather phenomena occur here. Stratosphere, presence of ozone layer. Mesosphere, protects the earth's surface from being hit by meteorites. Thermosphere, helps in radio transmission. Exosphere, very thin layer, you can find lightweight gases here like helium and hydrogen, and this sphere is also merges with space also. So I hope till here everything will be clear to you.